Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is AppleFUNk, and welcome back to the channel. First time guest, welcome to you also. Thank you very much for stopping by. It's definitely appreciated. Let's get into it. Welcome to an episode of Funk Eats. It's been a minute. Today, we're going to be making some chicken feet. 3 ways. Now I know what you're thinking. AppleFUNk, can chicken feet really be cooked more than one way? Yep, yes they can. So today I'm going to be boiling some chicken feet. And for that boil, I'm using some sage, adobo, chicken bouillon, and Frank's Red Hot. Because I put that stuff on everything. Then we're going to move on over. And we're going to make some fried chicken feet. We're going to fry us up some chicken feet. And for that, we did the Lawry's seasoned salt, garlic powder, onion powder, Saison, and we'll be good to go on some flour and breaded them. This is our boil that's going in that pot back there. It's got onions and all that good stuff already in there, so it's boiling, waiting for us. Matter of fact, let me cut that down. And I got my flour waiting. And last but definitely not least, we're going to be making this some Szechuan style. Some Szechuan style. We got it marinating already in the Szechuan sauce. I put some liquid smoke, the hot chilies, fish sauce. I'm going to brush some teriyaki on there in the end. Put a little dash of liquid smoke just to get that flavor. And so we're going to throw these. On the air fryer. All right, so that's what's happening today. I figure though, let's go ahead and make the experience right because I've been working on something. I put some effort into this. And so I've been working on a song that's been stuck in my head. It's about peanut butter. All in that peanut butter. But I know that didn't sound right. But I brought my instrument out just so I could give you a taste of where I think we're gonna go with this. So let's just give you a taste. Set the mood. Chicken feet 3 ways. Funk Eats. Let's get it. All right, let's go. Let's go. All right, here we go. All up in that peanut butter. All up in that peanut butter. And then this is the part, this is the hook. Peanut butter. It's a work in progress. I mean, it doesn't sound exactly how it's going to turn out in the end. I got some other notes I need to add. I know it sounds a little unpolished. You know, it's not quite polished, but you know, we can't all expect perfection the first time we get out with a song. But that's been in my head. Living in that peanut butter. Peanut butter. I'm gonna chop me an onion real quick, stick it in here. Hey, after you get your chicken feet, make sure you wash your feet. And man, don't even cook this, all right? How about that? So I ain't got to do no disclaimers. I don't care if you don't cook them. You can eat them raw. If you want to take this foot, lick it in your mouth, that's on you. Ain't got nothing to do with me. That's the disclaimer right there. All right, so let's throw these onions inside this pot. These additional onions, because I wanted to let you see me doing something to the pot. Bam, it's in there. So, next thing you're gonna see is, get some liquor to burn off that salmonella I just got. I'm going to do the grilled ones first. And so when we come back, we'll do the grilled. And then let's go ahead and just throw these in the thing, right? They could be going while we're doing this thing. Deuces, yo, this is, we're gonna throw up gang size. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh, this is so ridiculous. Love these feet. There's so much fatty goodness. You can tell a lot from a chicken by the foot. Let's toss this in the pot. Everything's in there. We'll crank up that heat. Boom, boom, boom. We got everything in there. So, like I said, we're going to reposition some cameras around so I can go ahead and put my one of the indoor grills on the surface here. And we're going to sizzle, sizzle, sazzle, sazzle. I might just go ahead and get the air fryer going at the same time. That way everything will be popping. So, we'll be right back. Thank you very much for tuning in. Let's get it. All right. Let's go ahead and get this thing going. We got everything repositioned. We got our boiled chicken feet happening back here. Let's stir those up. Oh yeah. Boy, it's tasty. So tasty. Whoa! We got our grill ready, but our air fryer is ready. So let's go ahead. We're gonna put our flour here on these chicken feet. Let's give them a stir. Let's give them a quick stir. Do it over something. Have my Roomba working overtime. Flour on the damn floor. Let's stir it up. Look at that. That's what we do with the chicken feet. Woo! Yeah, boy, look at that right there. These are going in the air fryer right here. Alright. Let's go ahead and throw those in the air fryer. Toss them puppies in there. We'll peek in there after a while. Now, I ain't gonna get them on the edges, get them in the middle. Boom, shut it down. Get to going. We got it set at 7 minutes, and we'll check them. We'll check them at 7. And now we can lay this down on the grill. Let's lay it. But before we do, because I know why y'all are all here. You're not here for the food. I know it's Funk Eats, but you're not here for the food. You didn't stick around for the food. You stuck around to hear another couple of bars of my peanut butter song. 1, 2. All up in that peanut butter. I think something might be wrong with this saxophone. It ain't coming out like a... That didn't sound right. You know what? Let's go ahead and put these chicken feet on here because we got plenty of time to perfect our craft. You know, plenty of time to perfect our craft while these chicken feet is on the grill. So we'll stir them up. We're gonna stir them up in that chili oil and that all that goodness. Ooh, look at that. Woo! Throw them on the grill, baby. That's right. Let's go. I mean, you can eat them like this if you want to. You could do anything you want. Ain't nobody telling you what to do. You want to eat raw chicken, eat raw chicken. Ain't nobody tell you what to do. I'm not saying you're going to live long, but I'm not necessarily saying you're going to die. I need to get my teriyaki sauce because these things going to really move. You know, there's not a whole lot to a chicken foot. Oh, I already got my sauce. Where's my brush? Yeah, I am prepared. I tell you what. While this is going, shit, let's get it. Let's jam. Let's have a jam out session. All right, you ready? Chili oil in me. All up in that peanut butter. Living in that peanut butter. Split these chicken feet. No, we got they got long hair. Yeah, we ain't gonna do that. Move them around. Ooh, look at them. They opening up. Like they're saying, hi, Funk. Hi. Hi. Mmm. Ooh. Let's clear up our space. Mmm. So good. Mmm. So good and tasty. Mmm. Everything's going. I'm not going to keep you here while it, because we got time. We got 3 minutes on that before we check it. We got, who knows on the boil, we probably keep it in there for about 2 hours. Not 2 hours, about an hour and a half. Matter of fact, I'm going to crank that heat up on high. That way we can get some reduction happening. And we can hit the fan. We'll put that fan on a little bit. Put it on quiet. Now we'll do one more to quiet. Okay, we're going to go ahead and move these chicken feet around. Move them around, get them on the hot parts. It's an indoor grill, so you keep it there. And look at that. Get back on it. Get on that grill. He's sticking you the finger. That chicken's that one right there giving you the finger. He's like, I'll tell you what. I'll tell you what. Let's get it. Put that fatty part down. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. You see that? You see what's happening, right? Oh, my God. Let's check out what's happening here. Oh, that got a ways to go. We're going to leave that alone. Let's crank up that heat on this. Let's do 375. Kids, don't do this at home. This video was not intended for kids. So if you're a kid, cut this off. You shouldn't even be watching. This is for my peeps out there that understand how in that peanut butter. Living in the peanut butter. Nope, you're down to seconds. You gotta go up on that. Let's go to 6 or 7 more minutes on that one. I guess since we have time, I know what you want. I'll get my fingering down soon, It's been a while. It's been a while. It's like sweet love. When you're making sweet love to a woman, that's how it sounds. Woo! Either you rocking with me or you're not. I'm okay. I'm okay. I got my own thing going on over here. Look at them chicken, they popping, they popping. Mmm. We need to flip these yet? Let's flip these ones over in the fryer over. We just seasoned them. Oh yeah, come on, baby. Oh, see, they're not doing what I want. Yeah. See, we got it. There ain't no fat on them things. Hold a minute. Hold a minute. I get some. Let's squirt them down with some olive oil. Get them going. Yeah, there we go. Let's get them squirted down. It's in here prime, damn you. Yeah, we gotta prime them. There we go. Now we're talking. Okay, So you close it back up. Let that thing get to going. Sometimes you gotta add a little love. A little love. Love. Yeah. Love. Stir it up. My niece, not my niece, my cousin, Nikki, she says, you need to just, every time you cook, because they live in New York. I was born in the Bronx, by the way, but I'm a Texan. I've been here forever. Been here about almost 30 years. Either way, she said you need to, every time you cook something, you need to record it, just to have that going. And I cook so many different foods. The next one I'm gonna do is a cow tongue. I've been craving a good cow tongue, and it's been so long since I had one. Maybe some cow tongue and some pig ears. You know, a little bit, by then I should have the music down. I should have because I got my keyboard coming in. I want to really get down into the soft, sultry notes. Doom, doom, living in a peanut butter. Doom, doom, living in a peanut butter. Peanut butter. We'll come back right before we take it off. Oh, buddy. We turn them face down now. Get that fatty paw. Them fatty paws. Oh, look at that. Now, watch what I'm gonna do now. Don't cry when I do this. Don't cry, because sometimes things look so good that you get a tear in your eye. Ooh, that. Oh, we gonna glaze them with that tear. Look at them feet. Look at these feet. They're so sexy and sensual. I'm a foot man. I love my chicken feet. Wow, look at these feet. A little teriyaki on these feet. You know, spread a little teriyaki on the feet. If I tell you what to do, do what you want. If I try to tell you what to do, you say no. You cook them feet. Peanut butter. Living in that peanut butter. Spread that teriyaki on them feet. Living in that peanut butter. Peanut butter. Yeah. Yeah, you pop. You sizzle dizzle. What's happening in here? Let's see what's happening. Alright, let's see what we got. What's happening in here? Oh yeah, see now they starting to sing a little bit too. Let's flip all these feet over. Yeah, it's crispy too. They crispy. Boy, they crispy. They crispy. Man, shoot. Popeyes ain't got nothing on me. Look how crispy them feet is. We got 1 minute on those. That'll be about right. These is about done. They juicy and bubbly. And I'm sure these back here. Oh yeah, we done boiled down so much. Oh yeah, we're gonna be able to eat here in a minute. Here on AppleFUNk Eats, we eat everything. We eat everything. There is no food I don't like except yucca. I don't like yucca. That potato, I can't eat that. I think it's because I was forced to eat it as a kid. I hate it. Luckily, my brother liked it because I'd sneak him the plate and he'd eat it because we couldn't leave the table until we finished that damn nasty ass yucca. I don't like potato. Yucca. Yeah, yucca. Bleh. Nasty ass fucking potato. Might have to edit that out. Nasty ass dang potato. Yeah, I might have to edit that out. Can't be all cussing. I remember them bad days. You can't leave the table until you finish the nasty food. Oh, it ended. Nah, you can't end yet. I want to do. Let me look. Nah, we going a little more now. Let's go power on. Let's air crisp this thing, and let's go ahead and air crisp it, and start. I'm only for a minute. Everything's about ready. I see the bubbles. I see the juices and stuff really happen on his feet, and I don't wanna rush it. I think these are about done too. Ooh, man, these are good, so tasty. Let's move it up to the front. I don't think you'll be able to see nothing, but it don't matter. You get to see the steam. Let's put this on there. Move it up here. Cut that one off. Let's go. Hey, if you ever thought about getting an induction stove top, it's worth it if you have kids, because it's only hot when the pan's on it. So like it's boiling again right now, and that's how quick it gets back up to doing what it's doing. But I can move this off of here, and I can touch that, and it ain't gonna burn me. So that's the thing. Right, put it back on there out of the system. But you have to buy all new cookware. Okay, these are done. Let me get me something to put these in. My chicken feet, my grilled chicken feet are done. You know what? I'm gonna lather them one more time right before I take them off with some more of that teriyaki. Yeah, we want them toes glistening. These glistening toes. Got that mani-pedi. I just got me a mani-pedi. I sat in that chair. I love it now. This is my second time going. I said, why haven't I done this before? They massaged my legs and they yanked on my toes, and boy, that's my new life now. Now I'm a mani-pedi man. I'm gonna get the mani-pedi. Okay, we ready to take these off. Put you here. We're gonna start getting these off here. These things done. Look at that, it's sticking to the grill. Oh boy, it's so blackened and nice and beautiful. Yeah, come on, baby, get off of there. Give my love. Alright, so we got our grilled chicken feet. Cut that off. Let's go ahead and take this out of the air fryer. Look at it. They're crispy. We got our air fried chicken feet. Oh my gosh. I told you we're gonna do it 3 ways. You ain't believe me, did you? He said no way Funk does it 3 ways. Let's cut that off. Power off on that. And now I'm almost certain these doggone boiled ones are done. Ain't but so much you can get out of a chicken foot. Yeah, I think they're done. Let me check a toe. Woo! Hot! We're gonna leave that in there for another like 20 minutes. So I'll remember to edit that out. Because we good. I want some damn peanut butter. Yeah, we bought some peanut butter. Peanut butter. Living in that peanut butter. Get that peanut butter ready. Living in that peanut butter. Peanut butter. Oh, this is a new one. I don't want a new one. I got an old one. I don't have an old peanut butter. Wow. Sometimes we just gotta grab that butter out the fridge, eat that peanut butter, peanut butter. I'm a crunchy man, extra crunchy. I don't do none of that smooth. You keep that. You have your own party with that. If you rocking with smooth peanut butter, you ain't rocking with the funk. Get that knife out that drawer. Live in that peanut butter. Scrape that peanut butter. It's stiff. Live in that peanut butter. Peanut butter in the fridge. It's so cold and crunchy. Peanut butter. Spread the peanut butter on the Ritz. It's the peanut butter. Peanut butter. Oh, good. Ooh. Peanut butter. That's so tasty. There are folks that eat peanut butter with chili. Never heard that in my life. I grabbed fresh loaf. We grabbed a fresh loaf, cut it, peanut butter. It complemented the chili so well. I said, I'm gonna do this from now on. From now on, peanut butter would be served with every bowl of chili. That's where this came from. You know, I think this is done. I'm ready to eat. Let's go ahead and strain these chicken feet out of here. All right, we're gonna go ahead and take these chicken feet out because they done. Let's go ahead and strain them on out. Yeah, with that onion. You know what I want to do? I'm gonna put a paper towel in there to soak up all that juice. I don't want to messing with my other wings. Throw those over here to the side like that right there. That way I can suck up all them juices. I don't want the juice. I want the feet. Oh. Ooh, look at those right there. Oh, look at that. Look! Lay them in there. Put that onion on top. Boy. Yeah, look at them feet. Look at them feet. Now, I told you before we started, Funk was going to do chicken feet 3 ways. Let's taste them. Let's see what's up. Let's see how these feet, if these feet did the do. All right, let's do it. We ain't got to reposition for this. Let's start with the air fried chicken feet. So crispy. Feel good. I can eat the bones on these. I'd take the whole thing, these daggone bones. That's toenail. It's so good. Gotta get up next to the nail. I gotta get one of them fatty pieces right now. That's good. We're gonna finish that one off camera. Next. We're gonna do Szechuan style. Szechuan chicken foot. Look at that. Look at all those tendons. Look at that. That's how you retract their feet. See them? Look down. This is the perfect party food. If you're going to entertain your guests, break these out. They'll love you. Try to get them between the toes. I'm loving it. You know, AppleFUNk eats. We don't just cook food, we eat food. They did that shit toenail, that's what the best part's at. Honey, look at that. Whole toenail line. Alright. Oh, whoop, whoop, whoop. Okay. The toenail. Crunch on that. So good. I ain't gonna keep it. Some juice so down. Right with the boil. Look at that. And tender. Look at that. Toenail, tender. Got a toenail at the back of my mouth. That's good, boy. That's good. You don't have to eat these separate. You just pop them out. Peel them out. So good. So tasty. So good. Peanut butter. Thank you very much for watching. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time.